Welcome to Beautyistic, where we dive into the details behind your favorite beauty products. Today, we're talking about a product that promises to make your lips pop while nourishing them at the same time. Burt's Bees 100% Natural Moisturizing Lipstick in Russet River. Let's break it down. This isn't just any lipstick. With the blend of bold, full-coverage color and skin-loving ingredients, it's a product that aims to take care of your lips while you wear it. But does it really deliver? That's what we're going to find out. Burt's Bees is known for creating natural beauty products, and this lipstick is no exception. It's made with natural ingredients like beeswax, moringa oil, raspberry seed oil, and vitamin E, all of which promise to hydrate and condition your lips while you rock a vibrant hue. The specific shade I'll be focusing on today is Russet River, a warm, dark chocolate color that's full coverage and perfect for adding depth to any look. When I first swiped this lipstick on, I was impressed by the smooth, creamy texture. The formula goes on easily, and the color is intense from the get-go. It promises 8-hour moisture, and I have to say it lived up to that claim. My lips felt soft and hydrated throughout the day, even after eating and drinking. It didn't dry out or feel cakey, which is often a concern with more matte lipsticks. The satin finish gives it a polished look without being overly glossy, striking the perfect balance for everyday wear. One thing I love about Burt's Bees is their commitment to using natural ingredients. There's no parabens, phthalates, petrolatum, or SLS in sight, making it a solid choice for those looking for a cleaner beauty option. Plus, the packaging is recyclable, which is always a nice touch. Now, no product is without its downsides. While the color is bold and beautiful, it's a bit on the dark side for those who prefer lighter or more neutral shades. The formula is moisturizing, but it's not quite as long-lasting as some other high-end lipsticks I've tested. I did need to reapply after about 4 to 5 hours, especially after meals. Pros: moisturizing formula with natural ingredients, long-lasting hydration, 8 hours of moisture, bold, full-coverage color in a versatile shade, clean beauty with no harsh chemicals, satin finish, not too glossy, not too matte. Cons: requires reapplication after meals. Shade may be too dark for those who prefer lighter lip colors. In terms of value for money, Burt's Bees offers a solid product at an affordable price. For a lipstick that's made with natural ingredients, it's fairly priced. When you compare it to higher-end, non-natural lipsticks, this one holds up well. It provides good moisture and color payoff. But if you're looking for ultra-long wear, it might not be the best choice. If that's a priority for you, there are other lipsticks that could offer more longevity without compromising on performance. If you're in the market for a more affordable alternative, you might want to check out other natural or clean beauty brands like Alima Pure or Ilia Beauty, which offer similar benefits and come in a wider variety of shades. So, does this product live up to its claims? For the most part, yes. The hydration and color are fantastic, and the natural ingredients make it a great option for anyone who wants to avoid harsh chemicals. It's ideal for those who prioritize moisture and comfort over long-lasting wear, and it's definitely a great everyday lipstick that enhances your natural lip color. If you've tried Burt's Bees 100% Natural Moisturizing Lipstick, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below and share your experience with this product. Is this review helpful to you? If so, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, in-depth reviews like this one. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.